Staying in line, nicely worked away. Good timing, good balance. Panchal will get off the mark. In fact, it's Smith Patel will get off the mark with the boundary. Nicely played. The heavy swing flies up the outside edge. It'll be another boundary there for Smith Patel. Nicely driven. Presenting the full face of the bat. You see modern day cricket. It's been taken by Yuvraj Singh. Low catch, but any slip catch is a good catch. So Siddharth Kaul producing a very good delivery. The length defeating the batsman. He was in two minds whether to go forward or back. Smith Patel, the man dismissed.
There you go, short and wide, and will be a boundary. Oh, lovely one. Too full. Had to change his length because he's bowled one short and wide to the boundary, and up it comes to another boundary with a cover drive. 26 for 1. Catch it is a call, but it's cleared mid-on and goes into the shadows. 4 lines, and he pays dearly for it. Boundary to end the over. Oh, good use of his feet, and straight down and over. Handsomely hit the first 6 of this game.
Good use of the feet. Nice flow of the bat. It's gone the distance. He's taken the attack to the opposition. And what a way to get to a half century for Panchal. Fabulous strike down the ground.
बेहतरीन शॉट, कमाल की टाइमिंग, प्लेसमेंट लाजवाब, मजा आ गया देख के.
Lovely drive down the field. He certainly enjoys. Siddharth Kaul.
Beautiful shot.
Oh, that's gone. Beautifully bowled by the left arm spinner. This time he invited Panchal to drive through covers, missed, and wicketkeeper did the job perfectly.
He'll be disappointed. Panchal was batting really well, but this was an absolute beauty, a ripper. If you're going to get out on a ball on 85, this is the ball you want to get out to, because this was a bowler's wicket. You haven't given your wicket away. Well done, Chaudhary. And well batted, Panchal. Really good innings of 85. It's 134 for 2.
Leaning back on the drive, and it's another catch. Shocked Extrakawa comes into play. Well bowled, slowing it through the air at 71.9 Ks. Vinay Chaudhary going through an excellent spell. Silly Point wouldn't have been happy with that ball. Extra bit of flight taken on the full. Was in the air, but hit it in the gap part to Patel.
दबाव उठता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, और ये बाउंड्री में तो आज विश्वास झलकता हुआ.
बेहतरीन शॉट. 6 रन. कदमों का बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रयास.
Oh, that's been taken at gully. Ball turned right across the bat face, and Parthiv looking to work the ball on the onside.
That's a good ball. Good sharp catch by Jeevan Jyot at gully. And big wicket. They needed to break this partnership, and Gurkirat has done just that. Parthiv Patel, the captain, departs for 34. It's 185 for 4.
बढ़िया शॉट. इस बार गैप में जरूर खेला है, और नतीजा फील्डर भाग जरूर रहे हैं, लेकिन गेंद जो है वो बाउंड्री पार कर जाएगी.
Goes for it and connects it this time.
खराब फील्डिंग, खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा. बाउंड्री तक पहुंच जाएगी ये गेंद.
Chaudhary and smack into the open space and to the boundary.
ये देखिए, फिर एक बार आधे रास्ते पे है मनदीप सिंह. ना आप सिंगल रोक सकते हैं और ना आप बाउंड्री. ये आधे रास्ते पे खड़ा रहना मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आया। या तो आप आगे रहिए, सिंगल रोकिए, या आप बाउंड्री पे जाइए। ये दोनों आप कैच पकड़ सकते थे। बहरहाल वेणुगोपाल राव अपना अर्धशतक पूरा कर चुके हैं।
Short one, pulled away. There's no chance for the fine leg fielder to cut it off. Venugopal Rao moves into the 70s with that shot.
Magnificently pulled away. Finally gets the boundary that he deserves in this over.
बेहतरीन शॉट, 5 फील्डर मौजूद जरूर, लेकिन गैप में से गया वो गेंद।
Another one, another boundary. A lot straighter this time.
Gone. Yuvraj Singh catch nahi chhodte.
And Venugopal Rao has gone for 78. It's 291 for 5.
A beautiful shot, magnificent shot by Manpreet Juneja. In the air, and it just passes the bowler on his left hand side. Oh, nicely played shot, deliberately played in that area, that vacant area. Yeah, it's the call, and he gets to his 50 with a single. A well-deserved 50 for Rujul Bhatt. Applauded by one and all.
Goes over the top, and everyone can keep shouting, catch it, but that's gone to the boundary.
That's edged, but in the gap, and will be 4.
Lovely drive to the boundary.
Bit of room once again, same result.
Short ball. Now point has been moved wide, so that has exposed an area, yawning gap, and given away the single. 100 for Rujul Bhatt, the 5th in his career.
Well played, young man. His teammates standing up and applauding, and he's a happy chappy, which as a batsman you never forget. When you get to that 3-figure mark.
He had that point so deep, and he had worked it out. Realized it's an area just to dab the ball and run.
Well, again, you've got to say the captaincy at that point is a little baffling, because you know the batsman's on 99. Put some pressure on him, get the fielder up. It's a matter of 1 run. If you concede a boundary there, so be it.
A beautiful shot, hit straight past the mid-on fielder. He'll pick up another boundary.
Magnificent, elegant, hitting it through the line. Not the easiest shot, because a lot of footmarks around that area. Oh, it's gone onto the stump. Finally, another wicket is fallen. A defensive shot, there was a bit of turn. With the angle bat, so the ball just trickling to the stumps and knocks off the bail.
बल्ले के काफी ऊपरी भाग पे गेंद लगी और बल्ले का कोण भी ऐसे था, एंगल ऐसे था कि गेंद बल्ले पे लगने के बाद वापस स्टंप्स की तरफ चली गई। दुर्भाग्यशाली कहना होगा यहाँ बल्लेबाज को, लेकिन जश्न मनाएगी यह पंजाब की टीम कि आखिरकार बहुत अरसे के बाद उनको विकेट मिली है। मनप्रीत जुनेजा 32 रन बना के चले वापस पवेलियन। खाता खोला अपना इस बाउंड्री के साथ, चकमा दिया वहां युवराज सिंह को। अच्छा कदमों का इस्तेमाल।
There he goes again. Nobody had made wicket. Hasn't come from the middle of the bat, but good enough to get 4. Good hit. Good hit. He's a big man. That's a hard blow.
He's hit that well in the gap. Misfield at 4. Cheran.
There it is. Turn and bounce. Hitting him on the glove. He's got to go. He's looking for the foot marks and he got it right with the change of angle.
456 पे 7.
Great. Mid-on inside. No problem with that. He's so well set. You can see the ball like a football.
And we bring in entertainment as well. That's a bright hit. Great use of his feet and up and over. Handsome hit over the ropes. This time is gone mistimed. Wide of mid-on. And will get to the boundary as well. Oh, another bright hit. This man's not holding back one bit. How far has he gone? It's a boundary. Outstanding. Outstanding shot. Couple of bounces over the rope. This time inside out. Rujul Bhatt gets to 150 with a little dab. All timing and placement. Wonderfully well played.
कमाल की पारी खेली है यहाँ रुजुल भट्ट ने। तीसरी बार 150 या उससे अधिक रन बनाए हैं रुजुल भट्ट ने। खड़े होकर तालियों के साथ स्वागत किया।
Oh! Swung right back in. The third new ball had to be brought in to get rid of this man. Rujul Bhatt swung right back in, knocked over the middle. It's a great sight for a fast bowler, but he must be a very tired fast bowler. Rujul Bhatt disappears, but then after a very, very long time in the middle.
जी हाँ, अच्छी मूवमेंट। टप्पा थोड़ा आगे था, गेंद के ऊपर से खेल गए, बैट पैड के बीच में जो दरार थी उसे ढूंढने में कामयाब रहे यहां सिद्धार्थ कौल, और यह बड़ा विकेट था। लेकिन क्या कमाल की पारी खेली है रुजुल भट्ट ने, तारीफ के काबिल। 150 रन बनाए गुजरात के लिए।
513 पे 8 इसी स्कोर पे डिक्लेयर करने का निर्णय ले लिया है गुजरात ने।
Have a look at that batting card. Panchal setting the tone for Gujarat. 85 he got. Mirai gave him good support for 34. Parthiv Patel got 34. But the innings of substance was played by Rujul Bhatt. 150 for him. And Venugopal Rao also got a half century. Thanks for all their contribution. They finally ended their innings at 530.
गेंदबाजी काफी साधारण रही पंजाब के लिए। सबसे सफल गेंदबाज वरुण चौधरी 3 विकेट निकाले उन्होंने। गुरकीरत सिंह मान और सिद्धार्थ कौल ने 2-2 विकेट अपने नाम की और संदीप शर्मा ने इकलौता विकेट पाया।